Hello, in this video we'll be installing this LED light in my garage. This is not really an installation, it's more of a quick review. I purchased this down in newegg.com, and this is from a marketplace. Anyways, the model is deformable LED lamp, 6500K white. Got all the information here. Lamp color is black, blah blah blah. This is pretty much what it is, and it's made in China. Professional specification, sure, we'll see about that. This is the writing on the side. This is the details. Works with great in E2627 light socket. Don't know what that means. Stable voltage. Okay. It's adjustable, which is really why I purchased it. It's really adjustable and all. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open this right here. Yeah, this is how it came in the package. Just like this. No foam, no protective layer, nothing. And this is it. Yep, that's all you get. Like I said, this is not really insulation. I mean, you just unscrew the bulb and then you put in a new one. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing difficult there at all. Feels sturdy, but really it's all plastic here. You could see with the screws go, and I believe these screws are metal, and this is how it kind of shifts. Pretty sturdy, not gonna lie. Still feels like some cheap plastic. I mean, it is made in China. Alright, so before we go install it in the garage, I figured I can install it here, and I'll show you how it looks. But anyways, so this is what I'm using, the current light that I have here. Right, just a bulb. Hopefully it can screw in there. I don't think it will, but so let's get to that right now. Okay, so I took off the housing. I'm gonna show you with the bulb right now. So this is a 5000K. Really like, I think it's like 40 to 60 watts, whatever. And this is how it looks from this height. This is the type of light that you're gonna get. Now I'm going to install this bad boy, and you'll see the difference. Okay, so you can see this, it's huge different. This thing is really bright. I'll show you right now. So you can see it really brights up this area. I was touching this to see if it would get really hot, but it turned out to be all right. It's warm to the touch, but it's not bad. So let's go up to the garage and screw this in. Alright, so here we are in the garage. This is the culprit up there, that guy. This light will turn off in a few minutes. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, and I'm usually left with this one up there. Now what happened is, when the garage door is open, it lifts up and then blocks this whole thing. And during the day it don't look that bad, but believe me, once it gets a little dark, you can't really see a damn thing in here, even with that light on, with the garage door open. It's not really the best thing, and it's, like I said, I have to use a flashlight. I'll open it right now and show you how much it covers. As you can see, covers pretty much the whole thing. The whole light. It covers it. And I only get like a little bleed off, you know. But yeah, so that's why I purchased this one, because you can adjust it. All right. So I'm gonna install this. Screw it in. Get the ladder all set up, and put this up and let you see how it looks. So it looks all right. So I'm just gonna adjust this guy. Oh, okay. Doesn't seem like I can make a lot of adjustments here, unfortunately. You can only move it up and down. That's pretty much it. And you can't swirl, but okay. So this is the best that I can do with this. And yeah. So hopefully you like this video, and hopefully it helps you out. We'll see how long this one lasts. Hopefully it lasts a good amount of time. Thanks for watching.